Hey guys, it's Mike from Ophelias Blue Vine Farm with some rather exciting news. Today I want to tell you the story of a young man named Luther. Luther was homeless for over 5 years, and he would come by the greenhouse and we would give work on and off. As he came by the greenhouse, we learned from Luther. He did several tasks for us, and we tried to inspire him to get out of his homeless situation. Well, today he stopped by the greenhouse to tell us that he was no longer homeless, and he wanted to give a testimonial on what Ophelias Blue Vine Farm has done for him in his life, in his own words.
Hi, folks. I wanted to point something out about the greenhouse on Vine Street. That guy down there, he's awesome. The reason why I'm saying he's awesome is because I was homeless for 5 years, and I've lost, really good friends through the homeless life. I'm no longer homeless no more. His shop, him, his kids helped me out tremendously, and that inspired me to not be homeless, that I can live in society. I can be part of society. His growing is awesome. Like I said, his growing is awesome. He's an awesome person. Come down and visit his shop. You'll see what I'm talking about. Some of the stuff that I've done down here over the years, learned over the years, is awesome. Such as, I've cut grass. I made sure that, I picked up the, around his business, as well as, watched him plant. I don't think he's seen me watching him, but watched him plant, because I don't have a green thumb. But you know what? I planted a flower about 2 weeks ago, and it grew the first time. So there's something in that. The place is awesome. You folks just come and see what I'm talking about, and you would love it down here. Today, which is the 9th month of this year, the 20th day, 2022, I'm no longer homeless. Praise the Lord. No longer homeless. After 5 years. We have a lot of homeless here, and I know a lot of them. And I'm hopefully that this will inspire them to do the same thing that I had to do to pull myself up out of this homeless thing. I got a best friend that lives with me out here that will still either A, be homeless, or B, follow me. And I can never turn down a person that's in need. Never, ever will I ever. Because I've been in need for so many months and years. Again, 24th and Vine, the greenhouse on 24th and Vine. That guy is an awesome person, When I needed water and have no other place to go get water to drink, to wash up with, the simple things he helped me with. And the simpler things are the way, way more important things when it comes to being homeless. So, I appreciate that. And also my people over there at 24th and Vine, Camp 6 definitely appreciates it. Thank you.
Thank you, Luther, for that incredible testimonial. Your story is truly inspirational, and we wish you the very best going forward in the future. I started my company, Ophelias Blue Vine Farm, and named it after my grandmother, who was very successful and was very inspirational in her own right. And she really believed that one person could make a difference. She cared for other people. She believed in community service. She believed in always giving back. And those themes I brought to this company, Ophelias Blue Vine Farm. Today, I want to leave you with this. Live a life that outlives you, because one person can truly make a difference.